Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. 2016 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid SE, efficiency meets comfort, drive smarter. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 58,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 39 miles per gallon in the city, and 43 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Check out this 2016 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid SE in sleek pewter gray metallic. Powered by a 2.0L hybrid i4 engine with 192 HP and 271 pound-feet of torque, you'll be flying past gas stations with an impressive 39 mpg city and 43 mpg highway. With less than 58,000 miles, averaging under 7k miles/year, this beauty is built for efficiency and reliability. Enjoy modern features like push-button start, heated front seats, and a rear-view camera for easy parking. In excellent condition with a clean CARFAX, this Sonata is ready to roll. Test drive it today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.